Hello and welcome back to Project Mastery Podcast, where we decode project management in plain practical language. Today we are diving into two PMP favorites, parametric estimates and cost classification. Ever wondered why dollars per module is a parametric estimate or why project setup cost counts as a fixed cost? Let's find it out. Moving on to the first question. First question is about which of the following is an example of parametric estimate in project management. The choices given are bottom-up estimate, top-down estimate, lines of code, dollars per module. The answer is obviously dollars per module. Parametric estimation uses a quantifiable relationship between historical data and project parameters. For example, if past data shows that one software module costs $5,000 to build and a new project has 10 modules, you can quickly estimate a total of $50,000. That is dollars per module. A mathematical data-driven approach, efficient and scalable. The other choices are not the right answers. Bottom-up estimate is one of the choice. It is the most detailed method where you estimate each task or activity individually and roll them up. It is not a parametric estimate because it does not rely on a statistical relationship. It is manual and granular. Top-down estimation is another choice that's been given here. Top-down estimation also not the right answer. This starts from the overall project budget or timeline and allocates values downward. It is more about expert judgment or analogous reference, not formulas. Lines of code is a choice given. While this measures output, it is not parametric by itself unless you define a cost or effort per line of code. Without a numerical relationship, it is just a raw metric. So in simple terms, parametric estimation or parametric estimate means you plug in a number and the Mac does the rest. Moving on to the next question. Project setup cost is an example of which type of cost? Choices given are fixed cost, variable cost, opportunity cost, overhead cost. The answer is fixed cost. A fixed cost is one that doesn't change with project activity levels. Whether you deliver 10 modules or 100, the setup costs such as equipment installation, software license fee, or initial contractor onboarding remains the same. That's why project setup cost is fixed. It's paid once, irrespective of how much work you produce. Other choices given, like variable cost, this changes with output, like raw materials or hourly labor. The more you do, the more you pay. Setup costs don't behave that way. Opportunity cost is another choice, which is not the right answer. This refers to the value of what you give up when choosing one option over another, not a direct project expense. Overhead cost is also a choice given. This is also not the right answer. Overhead cost includes indirect cost like rent, utilities, or admin salaries, not specific one-time setup expense. So the golden rule is, if it doesn't depend on how much work you do, it's fixed. Let us wrap it up. Dollars per module is a parametric estimate. It's mathematical, data-driven and fast. Project setup cost, which is nothing but the fixed cost, which is constant and upfront no matter the project size. Understanding these subtle distinctions can make or break your PMP exam performance and more importantly, your real-world accuracy as a project manager. This is a Project Mastery podcast helping you move from knowledge to mastery. Till next time, keep learning, keep leading and keep mastering the project game. Thank you for tuning in.